Okay.
Just wanted to get it right.
The two switch
Yes.
inside the ignition. If we click the ignition, the two switch will close.
This is a relay.
Ah,
Is it a relay?
zero relay.
Is this a relay? No, it's not a relay.
Ah,
Yeah,
yeah, to the cases. Like we said before, here is 12 volts, and if the switch closed, yeah, from zero, and the BCM will know driver have connected ignition.
The IG.
Ignition.
IG.
It's the start button. Stop button. Stop button.
Okay.
Here when we click here and have a break, and the key have found BCM will true. Yeah, have a three relay controlled by the BCM. If this is successful, this is successful, this looks successful, and the BCM will control the IG to close, IG relay to close, and the IG relay close, all the module of the vehicle low voltage control module will working. Okay. This is the low voltage power, the process of low voltage power. And when okay.
But these are not everything in low voltage.
Yeah.
There are several other things in which are not. Okay, these are just part of the starting, the initial side of it.
Yeah.
I wanted to say something. Because now I want to probably put any numbers, for example, where the whole process starts from. In this case, the process
Start from.
yes.
Start from. Firstly, here the power should have.
Yes.
If the power, if the vehicle, we test it from the vehicle. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. The key is for the.
Yeah, I know. So I was wondering whether it starts from the key because all the process should start from here. That means when I do this, is the keyless that responds ECU?
Okay, I know. Okay.
Yes.
It's two kind of car. It's different.
Okay.
This car, you click here to unlock the vehicle. The vehicle will unlock the door, and he will do the process of high voltage power. You can see the screen will light, everything will working, everything will except the drive.
Okay.
Except the drive.
It's the process of step test. It's testing the whole system to be sure that everything is ready.
Everything is ready, except
the drive.
When you want to drive, you take the brake and hit.
Yes. Again.
So it's just it's a command. It's just a command to the vehicle, but everything is
so it's
working.
It's the programming that he has. It's the kind of programming that he has. This
kind of program.
Okay.
This is a vehicle, but the old vehicle when you click here, unlock the vehicle only unlock the door. And you can go inside the door. Go inside the vehicle. The other thing
The other process.
don't work. Only here, the battery. The battery power is have
12 volts, yes, output.
have output. But if we don't click here, the battery from the power from the battery is also output. Not controlled by here. So when this vehicle, we click the key. The process is the key will give information to keyless ECU. The keyless ECU's power is always connected to the battery. So here is we say KL13. Always have power. If the battery have enough power, so the keyless ECU is always have power. It's always waiting for the signal from the key. Okay, if the signal to the keyless ECU will give information to BCM, and the BCM is always working, because the power from the battery is always connected to the BCM. So these two module is waiting for the always instructions. Yeah. So the information comes to the BCM. The BCM will to send information to lock motor from the door, and the motor will drive the motor to positive and negative. BCM drives the motor to unlock the door. It's the process, and the other will not working. And then the driver inside the vehicle, and the driver will take the brake, and he will find the key. He will to find the key, and at the same time, driver will click start button. And in normal, when we take brake and click the initial, and at the same time, the key is okay, it's not open, and the vehicle will pick, will stop. Good. And here. So the two kind of car is different. It's different. This car, when we click the lock, to click the key, everything is working.
The whole process.
Whole process is working.
Here you have to take the one.
Yeah.
So that means you signal the key. It finds the key. Open the door, of course. It sends signals to the PCM.
Yeah.
PCM eventually will now. Yeah. Okay. So now there's power. There's always power in the PCM.
Yeah. Always power in the BCM.
The person enters the car.
Yeah.
Throttles the brake.
Yeah.
This one closes.
Yeah.
Presses the start button. This one closes.
Yeah.
Of course, sends signals to the two IGs. These two IGs like the gateway to all the low voltage motors to come on.
Yeah. Because I sent another. In model, most of the model, we call it ECU, electronic control unit. The condition of working, first he has the negative connected to the chassis, and he have most of control units two power, KL30 and KL15. One is from the battery. It's always connected to the ECU. And another is from the relay. Another is from the relay. So the relay is always controlled by the BCM. Most of the car have the IG relay. So if we start it, if we start the vehicle, for example, to click the key or to click the stop button, we start the vehicle, and the IG relay will close. So the two of the power sent together, and the ECU will fully working, all working, all function will working. And if he has it only this way power has no power, only one way, the ECU will some function will working, some function like this. Now the computer is all working, and we close it. It didn't.
I run it.
Yeah. It didn't shut down. It didn't shut down. Some of things are working. When we take it, yeah.
Even the desktop is not working.
Yeah.
Touch.
Yeah. Like the computer, we close the screen like this, have this power, and this have not this power. And if we close it and take the power off, it will all power now, have no power, and he will totally not working. You know the, yes. Okay. So this have two power. The IG relay is important. He closes and the ECU will
Get power.
Yeah, gets power, and all function will working.
So the IG relay works like the final output of the testing.
Yeah.
After all these initial tests and starting everything, so the IG relay sends power
Sends power.
to the whole.
Yeah. We can also, it is similar with, we can call it a wake up signal. But in principle, it's a power. It's a wave of power from the battery. But the power is controlled by the IG relay. So when the IG relay closed, for example, is with you. When the IG relay closed, the with you, the BMS and the OBC and motor control units, all of the module will be wake up. All of the module will working. And then
If this is ECU, if this was a VCU, so what's the difference between VCU and ECU?
okay. VCU is ECU means all of the module can call ECU. Okay. We just take example. So we call it ECU. But in the vehicle, this all this can call ECU. Okay. This is one kind of ECU. Okay. It means here, this BMS also have two way of power. And this MCU also have two way of power. Okay,
That's the motor control unit.
that's
The
the
MCU, motor control unit.
motor control unit.
Is that the one? That's MCU, right?
MCU.
That's the MCU. The motor
Yeah.
control unit is the MCU.
MCU, yeah, MCU. BMS and OC. Okay. When the IG relay closed, this module will be fully working. And VCM will send the start command or start information to VCU through the canvas,
Through the campus.
through the canvas, the powertrain canvas. And the VCU have power, and he received the command, the information command of star. He will give information to BMS, also canvas. Give the star information, star command to the BMS. And the BMS received the command. He will check the battery. Every cell, you know that the voltage should balance and in the range. For example, 3.2. In the range and the balance, the difference between the cells should is the same with your home use battery. The difference between the cell should less than 30. 30毫分 yeah.
这是什么意思？是 PCM 吗？
任意两个单体电池的电压。You know this？
对，
压差是吧？
压差。
Equal to less than
Yeah.
not exceeded.
Yeah.
其实所有的东西基本上都是由 PCM 控制那些机器，
对。
而 VCO 只是控制那些大的部件，
它只是传递信号。
VCO 只是起到传递信号的作用。
对。当然了，我还是讲，我们还是拿电路来讲，可机电路加速踏板啊这些都是必须，还有热管理的都是必须。
这个车还主要是 VCO。这个 VCO 我发现是在那里。我那里我试的时候，我们还就是把台在上面撤掉了，插原插的是，那原插我们稳定些。
稳定些。
那台掉那不稳定。
And BMS will check every cell and the temperature and the HVIL loop and the insulation. The battery, the high voltage battery is okay, and the BMS will close the battery is okay, and the other module have no fault in the module, and the BMS will close the high voltage relay. Okay, and the high voltage power will out. So it's the process of it's the process.
So it's safe to say it starts from the VCM.
Starts from
the starting part. After the starting check is done, it goes down to the VCU, right? From the BCM to the VCU.
BCM to the VCU. BCM to the VCU. because the first working is BCM. First working is BCM. And the BCM controls the IG relay. IG will close with your BMS, obviously the other module working. So it is the first working stuff, first working devices. Because he's always connect to the battery.
So we're not sure. The BCM does not stop working. Whether or not the car is working or not, it's always on.
It's always
There's
on.
always power out there.
You always have power, always have power. And if long time he haven't received information from the key, he will be asleep. He will be asleep. And if we click the key, he will be wake up. He will be wake up. And also, if we click the switch on the door, he will be wake up. Okay, and then we will test the process in the vehicle, and with the diagnosis tool. Diagnosis tool. Okay, have a rest. Have a rest. So a little cold, yeah.
What do you want?
It's a little difficult.
We have gone through it before.
Well,
Yeah, I've gone through it before with me, so I just want to know
it's a system.
Okay, so at least I understand the first part.
First part.
This part here. The one that has to be this year. The one you say there.
Okay. I open it. Okay, so you understand this? Okay.
Because, like you said, all cars are not the same.
Yeah.
For the old cars,
Yeah.
it has to start from scratch. You might understand this guy always have
Power.
power.
So
Always have power.
yeah.
And then so when he gets the key, this is the first guy to get this either from the door or from the switch.
You mean
The keyless.
keyless issue?
Yes, when you use the key.
Mm.
Talking about the first one call, just trying to get there. I want to probably see if I could be able to like more brain to see where it starts from. The first one call.
Okay. Where is spot?
Yes.
Okay. So where is what the person do? So
Yes, which is number one, the key.
okay, you click the key.
Key. Either the key or you maybe touch the key because it's keyless.
Okay. I know. It's also two way. You click the key. He stop working. he start working.
Yes.
He first be waking up,
Yes.
and then he send information to DCX. Yeah. And when if you click the door, the switch,
Yes.
he first work. Also he.
Yes.
He also he. It's 2 bar, 2 bar, and it's a switch in it. We click the door, switch, it close, and the signal will connect with the chassis, and signal will be 0 because we connected with the chassis. Okay, if he receives the 0 signal, the clearance issue will know the passenger, the driver. Click. Yeah,
Yes. So the signals we see it.
yeah.
Okay. Actually, you said this one was even high signals, but
Yeah.
so this pattern is. But from here, you will need to get into the car.
Into the car. Okay.
Press the brake.
Uh,
This one closes.
uh,
Touch the ignition. This one closes. It sends signals back to the ignition.
yeah, I do relate.
Relay. So the clear one comes on power is sent to all the
Automotive.
So this is for the older model. This process is for the older model.
Automotive.
The old model of cars like this one.
And then,
But the new one,
uh,
with a click, everything is.
yeah, everything. When we click the key, he will tell the BCM, and the BCM will check, will to close the actuation.
Okay.
Model will working and high voltage.
And this second one is explained just now. I need to understand.
Second one you didn't understand, yeah. Second one is okay. We first to know this. We first to know this, and we check these steps in the vehicle,
Okay.
and then we to
Look at the second one.
yeah look at the second.
Okay. So I think.
Maybe the process of this
Yes.
is most difficult. Maybe is the most difficult in the EV vehicle. And if you want more challenge or more difficult, is inside this the board and the work principle of the board inside this or this. It's more difficult than this.
Yeah, because this one I could understand.
Oh,
I even had more questions and it was easy for me to understand.
So it's all low voltage control. Maybe you know the high voltage better, yeah, because your experience before.
Yeah.
Yes. This is all low voltage.
And that second part is also moving. So, maybe we can look at it.
Have a rest.